It's 2 a.m. You promised yourself just 5 slides and sleep, but now your PowerPoint's frozen, the caffeine's gone cold, and you're re-evaluating all your life choices. But what if you give AI an idea and it builds slides for you?
So hi everyone, welcome to NIIT's YouTube channel.
Where AI turns panic into presentations and deadlines into bragging rights. So today we are going to discuss on how we can create a presentation using AI in under 2 minutes. And the tools that you require for this are ChatGPT and Gamma. So if you haven't signed up on Gamma yet, I advise you to do it right now. So if you want to create a presentation on importance of AI in drones, so this is how you're going to do it. Go over to ChatGPT and enter this prompt. Help me write a prompt for Gamma to create a presentation on importance of AI in drones. And boom, that's it. ChatGPT is gonna generate the prompt for you. And here's a prompt. So it's up to you if you want the quick prompt or the detailed prompt or the executive only version. I prefer the detailed prompt. So I'm just gonna copy all of this. And then I'm gonna open my Gamma. I'm gonna click on create new, click on generate, and then I'm gonna paste my prompt here. And after I'm done with that, I'm gonna click on edit prompt. And after that, it's gonna take me to this page where I can select my amount of text. I prefer it concise. I can also edit whom do I want to write it for. I can also edit the tone of the presentation. And then how do I want the images to be? I prefer 3D. And then I can also add extra keywords that how I want the presentation to look like. I prefer it to be more cinematic. So I'm just gonna add that. And then I'm gonna click on generate. And boom, that's where the magic starts. It's gonna generate the whole presentation for you. And let's see how it does that. So it just researches all of the content from the internet and it generates a very detailed and concise presentation for you. And boom, it just generated you a presentation in under 2 minutes. And if you want to change the theme of the presentation, you can just click here and you can select any kind of theme you want. So what if I want a dark theme? I'm going to click on dark and I'll select wine. And that's it. And you can also edit the content of your presentation by just clicking on each and every box. So that's how you create a presentation.